Hey Artland, how's it going? So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a very popular plant from around this time, and that is the Easter lily. So let's go ahead and get started.
To begin with our Easter lily, we're actually going to begin with a little flower pot for it. So you want to start down here at the bottom of your paper, and you just want to make a nice kind of skinny oval. So I'm going to start here, and you just want to draw a little oval shape, and I'm going to leave the center open. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve around, and then it's just going to kind of come down. And then I want to do the same thing on this side, just curve around the edge of that oval, and then just go down. And then I'm just going to connect these two lines with a little curve. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down on each side. And then I'm just going to make a little curved line like this for our flower pot. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to make the stem for our Easter lily. So just right in the middle here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to go right up to about here. And then I'm going to make another line that goes right up to here. Then we want to make a bunch of leaves coming off of it. So we'll keep it really simple. The leaves of the Easter lily are just going to kind of come out. You're going to come to a point and then they're just going to kind of curve back. I like to keep them skinny here, and then a little bit wider in the middle. So I'm just going to kind of put these little leaves all over the place. And you want them to be kind of different lengths, different sizes. You can have them kind of go in different directions. Some can curl a little bit more than others. And you just want to kind of put these all over, and they can get a little bit closer to some, they can be a little bit farther away. You can even make some that kind of go behind. And you just kind of want to fill up the whole thing with all these little Easter lilies. So I can put some that are kind of like behind one another, and just kind of put them all over the place. Now, once you have quite a few leaves on here, then you're going to want to add some flowers at the top. Now, some of the flowers kind of hang down, some of them are kind of going up, and then some might just be a little bud that hasn't quite bloomed yet. So to draw one that is kind of pointing down a little bit, I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw two little curved lines. And then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes out like this, and then a line that kind of goes out like that. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves up, and then it's just going to kind of come down and curve back. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of curve down. I'm going to come up and then kind of curve back. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down. It's going to kind of come back and then just curve around. Then I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves up, and then it's going to come back like this. I'm going to draw one that just kind of goes up and then down. And then one more that kind of curves out and then comes back. Then I'm just going to add a couple little quick lines in the middle. And then I'm just going to add a little line or two kind of going down. Now, to make one that's kind of open up at the top, I've got all the space up here, so I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down, and then it's going to kind of curve up and around, kind of like an upside down teardrop. The next one, I'm going to kind of curve like this, and then it's going to come back to here. I want to draw one here that kind of curves, and then it's just going to kind of come back and go down. One that's just going to go up and then kind of curve down. Then I'm going to make one here that kind of curves out and then just kind of comes back. And then I'm going to add a couple little quick little lines in here. And then you can also add one that just hasn't quite bloomed yet. And to do that, I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves up. And it's just going to kind of come right to about there. And then I'm just going to draw two little lines that just kind of go down. Now down here by the stem, I'm just going to add a little wiggly line for some dirt. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Easter lily. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.